Here, I'm making a video about the sound of a two-brother racing with a straight pipe. You know, if anybody can see it, it's a straight pipe. And I'm gonna make the sound. I'm gonna be changing the exhaust two-brother to a big gun. I'm gonna give you guys a demonstration how it sounds before the two-brother, before I replace it. So if anybody is thinking about putting a two-brother on an R6, this is a 2008 R6. So you guys can decide what you guys want to do. It's pretty loud. Give it a few minutes, warm up. So this is a no cat. This is the two-brother without the cat.